8:04 is the time. This incoming winter storm is probably going to impact travel plans for so many of us for the holidays.
Which means you'll likely want to give yourself some extra time to get wherever you're going. Bill Keller live at MSP this morning with what we can expect as we head into the busy travel week. Good morning.
Good morning, Hannah and Tom. In fact, for anybody flying in or out of MSP, so far so good. Nearly 870 flights on the board, just 2 delays, 1 canceled flight, that's an inbound one, and less than 5 minutes to make it through security. Of course, during these peak travel times like Thanksgiving, this kind of holiday, this is the time to remember there are some important airport hacks that'll help make things go just a little bit smoother. If you don't know, travelers can actually pre-book their parking online. That guarantees you a spot. You can also schedule a time for your TSA screening. You can do that in advance. It's free. It's called MSP Reserve. If you're dropping someone off at Terminal 1, you can use the flex lane on the departure level. It's on the left-hand side. It's across from where you normally drop off passengers. And then when it is time to get picked up, they are encouraging drivers to wait at the cell phone lots on Post Road until their passengers are ready. But probably the most important part of your trip is when you arrive at the airport.
Arrive early. We recommend 2 hours, and that's 2 hours from when you step foot in the airport. So if you've got to return that rental car, park, get dropped off, give yourself a bit extra time for that. But 2 hours is usually a good rule of thumb for domestic flights, 3 hours for international.
Yeah, between today and December 2nd, TSA expecting to screen nearly 18 million travelers nationwide. Of course, here at MSP, tomorrow and Sunday, those are going to be the 2 busiest days of the week. So whether you're driving or flying, travel actually up about 2% over this time last year. Again, most people driving, and AAA projects that nearly 73 million Americans will travel 50 miles or more by car this Thanksgiving. That is 90% of everybody who's going to be traveling. Back to you guys.
Right. And again, affecting all of us this weather. Bill, thank you. And don't forget, you can keep track of our current conditions with this impending storm, the storm that's really starting up right now outside. You can get everything you need to know where you are traveling. Our radar follows you right down to the ground, right down to the house you're in. So download it today if you don't have it. It is free to download in both the Apple and App Store for the Google devices.